Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how easily you can remove any object in the images using Adobe Photoshop CC. This you can see, like I have opened one image and now we can select this object. Remember that there are several tools which can select the object properly. For example, if I select quick selection tool and if I try to select, see, this will select properly each and everything of this object. But we will use here lasso tool and we will select this girl but little bit with edges also, like this. Any object you want to select, you want to remove, I mean to say, so select that object a bit with edges like this. Now once you have selected this, then you can go to edit and fill or press shift plus F5. Now here we can fill this contents with content aware. So Photoshop is aware from content, so Photoshop will remove this object and will create the background according to this background. So make sure the content aware is selected and color adaptation is selected, and blending mode is normal, and opacity is 100%, and then click OK. So you can see it will take like few seconds and this will remove the object from the image successfully. See, we have removed the image successfully. So this was the easy method which I showed you. So you can remove any object from the images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.